We are in the oldest city in the world, on the planet, and beneath you, you can see a 10,000-year-old tower.
10,000 years old.
Yes.
Okay, today we are in Jericho. Actually, in the ancient ruins of Jericho. You can see this is some of the oldest ruins of civilization that they have ever found. Looks like, while there's certainly evidence of walls, it's still in question as to whether they found the walls that came down during the time of Joshua, but they've only excavated a small portion of the site so far. So still lots to do, lots to uncover, lots to be seen. I'm here with Danny the Digger, DannyTheDigger.com, right?
Yes.
Yep, and we are here in Jericho, and you were just saying that this is the oldest city in the world?
We are in the oldest city in the world, on the planet, and the lowest one. Topographically, we're at 270 meters beneath sea level. It's a Guinness record.
Wow.
Okay? And beneath you, you can see a 10,000-year-old tower.
10,000 years old.
Yes, stairway that goes in the middle, up to that section in the middle. And what was the purpose of it? So by default, when archaeologists don't find a better explanation, what do they say? Oh, it's cultic. It's for the worship of gods.
Okay.
Everything that we don't understand, it's cultic.
Okay.
But here, it's either to provide protection against other humans.
Yes.
Which is very sad, because it means that already 10,000 years ago,
there was war.
Homo sapiens was clanning and fighting one another.
Yeah.
Or I like the alternative theory, saying it was really to warn the city or the dwellers here from potential flash floods in the winter, which we know to this day can occur and have a devastating power.
So you have rain that happens up further, like around the Jerusalem area?
North of Jerusalem. If it rains north of Jerusalem, 4 hours later, there'll be a flash flood.
4 hours later.
Definitely 10,000 years ago, they realized there better be a warning system. Someone should be standing here and watching out for us. I don't know if that's the truth, but it's a very nice theory that I like. Yeah. It's definitely one of the oldest evidence of humans forming man-made structure.
Okay.